everyone, this is LT3, I can combine like terms. This is a challenge video. If as you're watching this video, you decide that's a little too challenging, you're welcome to go back and watch my first video. I'll have the link in the description below. Alright, so for combining like terms, we're putting together things that are similar. So I always use the example of ordering hot dogs and sodas. So if I'm ordering hot dogs, it would be weird if I said, let me get 2 hot dogs and then let me get 7 hot dogs. Like, why wouldn't I say, let me just get 9 hot dogs? So sometimes what I like to do is circle or underline the terms that go together. So 3x has an x on it. So that means anything that has just an x, I'm going to combine. So I'll combine 3x and negative x. And then with 2y, I'm going to combine that with the 7y because they both have a y on them. Okay, so it's kind of like saying put the hot dogs together, put the sodas together. All right, so here I have 3 x's and I take away 1, so I only have 2 x's left. And then here I have 2y plus 7y, and that means I have 9 y's total. And usually I try to put them in alphabetical order because that's what they're going to make you do in high school. Okay, so number 2 looks confusing, but still the same exact idea. You can only combine things if they have exactly the same variables. So I know we have a lot of x's and y's going on. This is x squared y, and I know you don't know what that tile looks like, but if I have x squared y here, I'm looking for any other term or any other number and letter combination that has exactly x squared y. So if I look at this one, these are exactly the same because it's x squared and a y, so these go together. But then on this one, they're not alike because this has an x, but this is an x squared. So it has to be exactly the same variable combination. Same thing here. This has a y squared and a y, so these are not the same thing, so I can't put them together. Okay, so those two go together. Let me underline this one in blue. So there's this one, but I don't see anything else that has an x, y squared, so I'll just leave that one alone. And then the last thing is I can combine the negative 2 with the 10 because those are just units. Alright, so if I combine the red ones, remember there's an invisible 1 in front here? So that means that there's 1 of these guys and 3 of them over here. So that means I have 4 total. And I'm just going to write x squared y because I just rewrite the variable after. Alright, and then next, this one's just all by itself, so I'll put the minus 7xy squared. And then last I have negative 2 plus 10, which would be positive 8. And I can't do anything else from there because none of these are like terms because they don't have the same variable combination.